Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm gonna call my family member, them like people who close to me, and tell them so them not invited at my wedding to see how them would react. Let us get into it. Serena did call me, so let me see if Serena can be the first person I prank. I'm gonna call her back. So I'm gonna pause the whole packing out because I need to focus. Where's Serena gone so quick? She literally just called me and know it as a calling. Sir. Where do you say? Yeah, alright? Oh, your son says stuffy. What make you stuff up? What make you catch flu?
I don't know scientist.
Serena, I know somebody that go call her this morning, but I never get a chance. I did tell her, say, you know, say, we're going to get married and stuff, and you know, say, you are going to be my maid of honor. But I did think to myself, and I said, I don't think you feel bother come.
You feel bother come?
I know, I just think to myself and say, I don't bother want to invite you. But I going to explain to you why.
Why?
I don't know, I just think you're going to be. You're going to cry and make me cry, and I just not bother, I don't want that.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, hope you're not feeling away.
No, I'm not feeling well.
Serena, you feel away that you feel away your voice.
I don't feel well.
Serena, if you feel away, you can't tell me.
I don't feel well.
But like further down when I keep like reunion and you know that way you do like after your wedding you keep the something there, you know, so you're gonna be invited to that. Alright then, you're alright differently? Serena, why do I feel like you know something I prank you?
Because it's obvious.
It's obvious? Well, me glad. Alright, so you did have my test run, so now I know something enough to say that. Now I know something enough to say that. My sister, so cool, but not coming to my wedding.
Exactly, because I should do what I'm trying.
Yeah, I give you no.
Invite me on your wedding. Obviously, I'm trying.
I figure that she didn't know. I give her too much information, so no one know what I made of Anna. Could have been nobody else. I feel be my sister. Alright, make a prank somebody else. Bye. Yes. Alright.
Yeah.
So now I know what's enough to say that. I figure somebody did a little bit too soft. Like I should have said because she gonna cry up. No, I'm gonna be harsh this time. I'm gonna call Lovell. This gonna be funny. This is gonna be funny.
Hello.
Lovell.
Yeah.
What you do?
Not bad.
We said what you do?
Oh, may I speak to what you're doing?
Yeah.
So here.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
What are you now?
You're just waiting for our school.
Oh, what do she?
Funny bed.
But I didn't want to talk to you about something, but and Lucy as well.
Oh, Lucy. Angel, I talk about something. You hear it now.
Lucy?
What?
So, this is a decision that was very hard for me to make. But, you know, time I wind down and I have to just come to una straightforward. So, I think to myself, say, Me did I say both of una, but me I said me can't be so, it can't be like that. So me did I think say me not go bother invite both of una. But me sit down and me think and me say me rather not invite Lucy. So Lucy, you're not invited to the wedding.
I'm invited.
Yeah.
That makes sense to come in.
Oh, I mean, it makes sense to come your brother are married.
Yeah, my brother are married, but I'm my husband at the same time.
Well, Lucy can stay home with Adiana.
So Adiana invite to come watch her uncle and married. What is it?
No, Adiana and Lovell is invited, but because you're gonna be home by yourself, just make Adiana keep your company.
So hold on. What's the reason for not inviting Lucy?
I don't wish to say, cause me no want.
No. I want to know because it must be a reason that you have to invite like what? You just have to invite like 5 people, 6 people, and that you do?
No. You know who invited already. Everybody is still invited, just not Lucy.
No. Because it's just a push up here and like when it never gets to do and take a big cut off of your leg.
No, but Lucy, you must say do you
Lovell, Lucy no do. You know that me and Lucy no have nothing. You know we live good. A matter of fact, I did both. I want not invited, but as me say, you have to come see your brother married. So me just say Lucy. But if you want to keep Lucy company, both of you not invited then.
No. We're talking about invite. We don't want to hear that for Jason himself.
It's a decision that Jason and I made.
Jason have to text me and tell me that, or call me and tell me that. We can't just hear from you alone. I mean, I take that as when Jason confirm and say yes, Lovell, you not invited, then me stand on me yard.
So me not have no say.
No, I just have to say, if two have to confirm with you, one can come and tell me that if the Lucy not come and then as a matter of fact, both of we not come.
Alright then, give me a second. Babe?
Yeah.
We never come to an agreement say Lovell and Lucy not invited, but we stick off Lovell off our list. And so she can come.
You can squeeze one of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Lucy, Jason, what we do?
That cocoa tell me that in my face, surprise.
Yo, Lucy not take no. So even if we didn't serious, Lucy So Jason face her like him and say, don't join me like this. Guys, that's why I have to love my brother and I know cause Lucy say, no matter what me say, Lucy say you're mad. Me have to come. Yo, but I prank couldn't do it. Alright then, Adiana? Auntie baby, me not tell us if you start work Sunday. May I give you 1 more week. Alright then, I call somebody else and prank them. Yeah. Oh, that was so sweet. So me if you love them, me love my sister, my brother bad. Alright. Mommy. Me not say, oh, me have to go hard for mommy. No, that's why me have to go hard for mommy if mommy believe that one here. Me have to go really hard. So, you know me will find a way. Why does I call in? Okay, me go call her straight then and kick her off of the call there. That is so not nice. That not nice, guys. Don't follow me, don't do that. Mommy.
Yeah.
How you doing?
Clean up the house, or
I didn't want to talk to you about something. I did a thing to myself and I say, I'm going to make me and Jason married private, but I'm not going to invite nobody. As in, you not going to get for the either.
So you can marry them in the day. It's not easy.
Mommy, me and Jason come to an agreement, say.
So much you want marry and have your family there, your mother, your sister. Want your little sister there, everybody. It's not easy. You can't do that. Want to Jason, you want to see family them there too.
When I selfish, that's all about you and Jason. No, you have been mentioned me. You see me, this sister, you have to do it the way they call it, not really having money. Have to do it the way they.
Catch her, cause she said we came from her.
That's the reason why you want to do it, no?
Well, Jason agree with the no family, and me I agree as well with no family.
Jason mother want to, but it's not easy. It has the two mother and the father. It's not easy.
Mommy, me no want nobody, just me and Jason the witness. I make go look somebody out of port for witness.
Look at me, look like you have something today when I agree with you. Come look at that food she said you tell me.
Well,
A woman always, every woman dreams to marry. Look at me, dream to have 100 somebody at the wedding. I come and mash up in my name could have 15. And I still keep my reception in the 100 somebody. And you're content boy, you want to marry just young years and alone. Let's even get to see you. It's not easy, you know, you must be crazy. It's not go on. But you can talk to Jason, no disrespect a food and thing, but no, that's not working.
well, I'm an adult now.
They don't say I don't go, but they tell me, say,
Should I go kiss me?
married. Just your name alone, just to go buy your house or something. But I say, alright, do what you have to do. Because your house you have to buy. But you can't come tell me, say, you go marry and I invite none of we look towards your wedding and you're having one baby. Two things you look for in a life towards for you and Jason. To murder our picnic. The two important things what everybody look for. But you're not easy, you can't do that.
Well, me I put down my foot and me done talk.
Look at Google right now, me hungry.
Well, me I put down my foot and me done talk and you go think about
you.
it.
Up my foot, you put on yours and you put up mine.
Well, me and Jesse call the shots and Jesse said nobody.
Okay, Google how she will go marry just share this and go and nobody else not then. Nobody. What the man do? I shoot man, I can't give a hand to me.
Jackie, but Jackie say I'm from me, I'm from you. As you say, me a prank Serena, just a easy, but me say, oh, you know me a prank him. Anyways, bye-bye, me a prank somebody else. My mother said, nope. You see how she consider it? Mommy said, no, what about Jesus' family? What about for your family? Oh, do that though. Well, nothing is wrong with the private thing, nothing wrong. But, me not do that, man. Me go call Kimona. Because I know that video here get long. Probably Kimona the last person I go call. Kim?
Yeah?
You can talk?
Yeah.
There's something I want to talk to you about. So I did a thing to myself. Well, Jason and I came to an agreement and Mr. Mega tell her before it's too late. So you're no longer invited to our wedding. Don't get vexed. Mega explain to you why.
Anyway, explain.
So I just decided I don't really want to crowd our wedding.
Yeah, we are talking. I run somebody call. I can't be a call.
Kimona?
I cannot be you call.
Yeah.
If me not do it, nobody else can do it. Yeah, you know that. You don't say you should even come to me with that. So.
Well, me I put up my foot and me and Jason made the decision already, so I don't know what you're going to do. So I just tell her before it's late.
I'm not even make you right now because you're joking. Okay?
Yeah.
Get that out of your head. Get that out of your head, right?
I'm not joking, and when I finish talk, Tamara is still invited though.
I mean, I invited.
What?
I mean, I invited.
When me ready, me will tell you.
From going up because a date a friend.
Well,
stop him from go.
Well,
me just tell you say, me not there the wedding. You can't have no friend at the wedding. So it must be the private thing where Tamara will be the witness at the wedding. It must be that case because if me not there the wedding, how you got other people come at the wedding?
You did hear me say me no want you there? That's what I said. Me never said me no want nobody else
But you
there.
have to give an explanation. So if I'm cancelled, basically, because if me to come here, what it means is, the data say we aren't friends anymore.
We are
Okay?
we are friends.
We can never be friends.
We are
anymore
friends.
here with
We are friends.
So
We are-
guess what? If you said to me, say, Kim, you know, never do a private thing. I would never even say stuff. Why would I? But you know, with you, because I would understand that's private. But if you have a burglar with you, then tell me. Kim wanna say me not gonna hear your wedding. Nobody else can do your wedding, so it must be private.
Well, we are.
Private wedding, it can't
It's
be
not
nobody else.
private. We are best friends. It's not private.
No,
And
no,
I
no,
just
no, no,
said
no.
that.
If I'm not there, honey darling, we aren't friends anymore. We are not best friends anymore.
Oh, so yeah,
That's
so
what
yeah,
it is.
so we are not friends anymore then. So bye,
Yes, so bye.
bye,
Call me back when I'm invited, darling dear.
bye.
Bye.
We could have tell Kimona say a prank, but we want to hear what she did gonna do. Still have a prank her back.
Yes, ma'am.
A matter of fact, yeah, the friendship done.
Perfect done it. I mean, if it done it, that's done. Because I'm saying, if I'm not going to the wedding, me have to friendship done. That's not going to look good.
Well, Tamara invited, so Tamara invited.
Yeah, you're saying that you keep telling me that he is.
Tamara can show him face for you.
He's not showing face to me, I'm showing face to his friend, which is Jason. So you don't need to tell me that he invited. What you need to do is take up his phone and call him and tell him that he's invited and I'm not invited.
But may I tell her you're not invited?
Oh, and you just tell me that we're not friends anymore. So
No, you said that.
no, but this minute they wedding, but I make it clear to you.
Oh, so it's easy for cut off a friendship.
Yeah, I would never dismiss you from something that's important in my life. And even if you're not there, trust me, because nobody else is going to do but a witness. Then you could
Me
have
think them
created
say me
something
can't prank
that's
them.
so important
Kimona
in your
always tell me
life,
say me can't
and
prank her.
Yeah, you're not even ruining me right now, yeah.
Kimona. Me say what me say and me don't talk. So no matter how much you want to lecture me, me don't talk. Because me a prank you.
I'm just... It must be a prank, you're ruining my day right now.
Oh,
It's crazy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Give me a kiss. Yo, Kimona vexed a while ago. Oh, I'm gonna do that to me, baby. I'm mad. Me know that video here long. Me think me got end it now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your trust the journey with me. Road to 100K. I love you guys. Bye.